Yet was so na ya de makonsam foforo emu na nananom atrankonwane adehia ewo Mempeasem ene East Legon so ene de won so mu ni hwia won be ye office ye dwiri won mo agapade nyina so de aguntie ne won mu gina ho na ne mpanifo adwiri won afa ho aka ho de ne won be dwiri won de aka ho edi nti ne won asista gina ye na Adom TV Kasee eto so
Manfo Bekaya, Adom Kasee, Edibetu Dwa, se adisuafo bi ewo Ideal College, ene aposifo ya womuko suku nim de akosie ni isanse na edanjuri bi ekoso ewo suku no emu. Nananom ahemfo ye wo Mempeasem echiremu a ensem no ewo court ne senti ewo nwanwa pa se aposifo ene bambofo abegu wono mu a wodwiri adan egu. Ochemu se nye Lands Commission ena nsase wo Mempeasem eye wo modia senti woni tumi bia so obeprince ase ewo kro no emu. Ohena wo Mempeasem ni togbo obodai ampawo ene yamane bo na etwetwem komo ene wodi tu dwase ene animu ya asoye hwensa ase ni mo dodode so enhwe na sa ase mi wonka emane mfiri wo.
Before he came onto the seat, he's a lawyer. So he's a law-abiding citizen. And we are just appealing to him. He should come to the aid of Mempeasem. What is going on right now, we doesn't want to shed blood. So we are appealing to him, the chief of staff. I've told, I also wrote to what we call land minister. I told them, and the one who is in charge here is what one, not that need to build. He's in charge of all these lands over here. So what is he doing? I'm asking him. He is in charge of all those lands here. And so he starts sitting there as a minister. What is deputy minister? What is going on over here? He wanted people to die before they will come and say, oh, we should have a ceasefire. We don't do that.
Ebreda injiri no ekoso no onipa Ideal College School eyene dia Dr. Kobna Isibu aposifo echire no abra odetu posifo anim se wompene ema wondwiri edan no enwu na no so enomanfo bi akasa afa ho no kire se wosabambofo etimi ehwe na sansa se ho nsam a asore no oso ano enchire mu sei ena wode etu dwa
so mu say government like that ono dey from baby omo say government omo bobo dan na afro but enye say dia bia omunye ready I don't most can su no be sit down no mo be pikin no mo afa enye that was the mo prof ni su but me dey request me ni omo do so na passport say bibi crap a ye wo hini wa bibi kwa mu invite ye ana mo ka bibi ba mo sori a na ma fato obi ye fo mo be ku ye aka ye kwa ye no omo kana ye ka o be ku ye no mo ye no free case